Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're making something super useful, a durable absorbent dish rag. This is a great beginner project, and by the end of this video, you'll know the half double crochet stitch and have a fully usable dish rag to wash your dishes with. Let's get started. The first step is choosing your yarn. While acrylic yarn is cheaper, for a dish rag, you want 100% cotton. Cotton holds water better, it dries faster, and it won't get moldy as quickly as acrylic will. I'm choosing this one. Now, make sure you look at the label to see what size hook you need. For the weight that I've chosen, I'm going to be using a size H hook. The pattern for our dish rag is going to be a half double crochet pattern. Before we start, always pull your yarn from the center of the skein. It helps keep the skein neat and prevents it from rolling around while you work. And we're ready to make our first loop. We're going to start with a slip knot. So that's going to be our starter loop. You're going to take the end of the yarn and place it at the base of your middle finger, holding it secure with your thumb. And then you're going to wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers to form an X on the front of your fingers. You'll take your hook, put it under the first piece of yarn that's closest to your fingertips, and then over the next piece. You'll pull that second piece of yarn under the first and pull it tight. That is how you create your starter loop. And now we start our chain stitch. You'll yarn over the hook, pull through the loop, and that's one chain. You'll repeat your chain 26 more times. And you'll notice that each one of your chain stitches has a V, and that is how you count the number of stitches that you have. By the end of your foundation chain, you should have 27 chains behind your hook and one on it. And now we're going to turn and start your half double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over the hook, skip the loop closest to your turning chain, and hook into the next loop. Yarn over again and pull that yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's your half double crochet stitch. Repeat in every loop across this row and chain 1 for turning. And so you're done with your first row of half double crochet stitches. You'll chain 1 for your turning chain and flip your work over. And then you'll yarn over, skip the V closest to your hook, and hook into the next V down. Yarn over again and pull that through all 3 loops on your hook. And then you will just repeat your half double crochet in each V, create a turning chain, and do the same thing for every single row. A trick I use for measuring is folding the rag diagonally into a triangle, and if all the sides are even, it's done. And if you want to add fancy borders like the one in this example, skip to the scalloping video. Otherwise, let's finish the square. So as you come to your end on your last stitch, you're going to cut your yarn about 3 inches long. You'll chain 1 and pull the entire tail through the loop. Pull it tight to secure it, and you fastened it off. Look at that. Now we're just going to weave all these ends back into the dish rag. They say to do 3 different directions, and that should secure it. If you don't want to do that, just tie another knot in your yarn and cut it off, and you're good. Make sure you wash it in the laundry, but skip the fabric softener as that reduces absorbency. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.